Hi everyone. It's been a week since my surgery and I am slowly getting better and better. I was even strong enough to go out and buy breakfast this morning. This is the breakfast, chi chong fan, a local breakfast. And well, because I was resting at home and had a lot of time, I started to think of ways to make more money online. I was resting a lot at home because of my surgery, so I had a lot of time to think, a lot of time to reflect on my life and career, a lot of time to explore options to create more income. For past weeks, even before surgery, even before I went for the surgery, I was researching on writing ebooks and selling them on Amazon. Partly the desire to start writing again was driven by the desire to make money, at least a little bit more money so that I can support me and my family. Because ever since I had cancer, I could not do on-site part-time teaching gigs, there was one of my sources of income was gone. Uh, but mostly I am writing again. It's because I have a love for writing. I had the passion for writing since I was a young boy. I had always wanted to act on it and become an author. You know, I dream of being on the best-selling list, or at least have my books on online stores. I mean, in the past with bookstores, physical bookstores, but now at least on the online stores. But life came along, and there were other priorities. Mainly, it was to work and support my family. But at least at some point of time, I did writing. I was a copywriter and then a script writer for local TV shows, and all these close to my passion. But over the decades, whenever I had a story idea, I would write it down. For the past month or so, I started to gather all the story ideas I had, that I had jotted down in the past, including past blog posts that I've written on various blog sites in the past. And I decided to compile it all, edit them, update them if needed, and make them into books. Of course, I will work on the story ideas too, and develop them into novels. Um, I'm intending that this new venture will become successful and be another source of income. I'm doing this video partly to update everyone and partly to remind everyone to keep creating multiple sources of income. I have a few now, my affiliate marketing business, and also from my videos that I create, the content I create that is on YouTube, like this YouTube channel, Facebook Reels, and TikTok. To be honest, they are not earning a lot of money for me right now, just trickles. Of the few, surprisingly, Facebook Reels earns the most. I've yet to earn from YouTube because I have not met the criteria yet, but I hope so soon. As mentioned, my part-time teaching gig stopped because I had cancer, so I could not teach on-site at universities and training centers. Even the online teaching gigs stopped when they hear I had cancer. Anyway, so this inspiration to write books came at an opportune time. I have written one book so far, and I will publish it soon, and I will update everyone when I do. And I will continue to write more. I intend for the books to earn me some income at least, more than enough to support my family, me and my family, uh, for us to have a happy lifestyle. Being an author can help me create another source of income. In time, I will look at more ways to do more, and I encourage you to do the same. Sure, work on one source of income first. It can be affiliate marketing or being a YouTuber or even your full-time job. When you are able to keep the job or the business going with less effort and you have more time, then look at another way of making money. I've seen many people who are doing this. There was, I saw on Twitter, I think, there was this particular person. She showed her sources of income. She had about 10 or 12. I can't remember the exact number, sorry. And in retrospect, I should have taken a screenshot to show you, because she shared, on a screenshot, the sources of income that she had. And it also showed how much each source brought her, how much each source brought her to make her a total of a 5-figure income every month. So let's do that. Create multiple sources of income. Yeah, you and I do that. And let's make more money. And for a start, would you like to start an online business and create your new source of income? And if you do, go check out the link in the description below. It's a free training that can help you get started on an online business. And you can start your first source of income, or even a new income. If you have any questions or anything to clarify, please drop a comment below and I will be happy to help you. I wish everyone great wealth and success.